Hello students, we are now discussing about the additional vectors chapter and the topic is vector equation of the line and plane. First theorem is the vector equation of the straight line passing through the point of A and parallel to the vector B is R bar is equal to A plus TB bar. Here also A bar and R bar. R bar is equal to A plus TB bar, where T is belongs to R. Then you have to prove this is a theorem. Once again repeating, the vector equation of the straight line passing through the points A of A and parallel to vector B is R bar is equal to A plus T bar. Listen first, here OP is our R bar is, OP is equal to R bar and OA is equal to A bar. B bar is a vector parallel to AP. Then write down first is let P of RB any point on the line. Therefore OA is equal to A bar and OP is equal to R bar. AP is straight line, then given that AP is parallel to vector B bar, then we know that how can you write that is AP is straight line and B the vector is parallel, therefore AP is equal to, I can write here T into B bar, where T belongs to R. Clear this is? Therefore in AP is equal to T into B bar. Then AP you can write here OP minus OA is equal to T into B bar as it is. I can write here AP is a vector form, I can write here OP minus OA. Therefore OP is nothing but R bar, OA is nothing but A bar is equal to T into B bar. Therefore R is equal to, I can write here, can bring this side, right side, therefore what will get here? A plus A bar plus T into B bar. This is our required vector equation. Clear all of you? Next I can prove that is the conversely. How can I prove? Suppose R bar is equal to A plus T bar is given equation. Then you can write here same R bar minus A bar is equal to T into B bar. Clear this is? I can bring this side A bar is vector is right side, left side. What will get here? R bar minus A bar is equal to T into B bar. Again refer OP is nothing but here R bar. Therefore I can write here OP minus again OA is nothing but OA bar T into B bar. It is nothing but in vector I can write here this is AP is equal to T into B bar. Clear? AP is equal to T into B bar. Therefore AP and B bar vector collinear. Therefore P of R is lies on the line. This is conversely also proof. Next is the vector equation is Cartesian form. Cartesian equation of the line passing through the A of x1 comma y1 comma z1 and parallel to the vector B bar is equal to Li plus Mj plus Nk is x minus x1 by L is equal to y minus 1 y1 by m is equal to z minus z1 by n. You have to prove this is the x minus x1 by L is equal to y minus y1 by m is equal to z minus z1 by n. When it is passing through the A is x comma y comma z and parallel to B is vector is Li plus Mj plus Nk. Proof is observed here. Origin at O, so that OA r is equal to A bar is equal to, it is given x1 comma y1 comma z1. Therefore I can write here A bar is equal to x1i plus y1j plus z1k. You know about this. Okay. And B bar is what is given here? Li plus Mj plus Nk. The line equation in vector r bar is equal to A plus T B bar. What is R bar is? R bar is equal to, you can write here also, R bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Once again listen here, R bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, and A bar is given, his point is x comma y1 comma z. You can write here x1i plus y1j plus z1k. B bar is given as Li plus Mj plus Nk. You can substitute in equation R bar is equal to A plus T bar. I can write here xi plus yj plus zk is equal to A bar is nothing but x1i plus y1j plus z1k plus T of B bar is nothing but Li plus Mj plus Nk. You can write here LHS as this, yj plus zk as this, and RHS you can observe here. Here I terms is two terms are here, x1 and t into L. Therefore I can write here x1 plus TL. Clear? Next, j of y1 plus t of m plus k of z1 plus t of n. x1 1 and TL is the second term, TL. Similarly, j terms is y1 plus tm, and k terms is k into z1 into tn. Listen here, you can comparing both side I comma j comma k terms. What is here terms means? Listen here, x is equal to x1 plus TL and y is equal to y1 plus tm, and z is equal to z1 plus tn. You can write here x1, you can bring this side, left side, what happens is x minus x1 is equal to TL, or I can write here x minus x1 by t is equal to L, by L is equal to t. X minus x1 is equal to TL and x minus x1 by L is equal to t. Similarly, you can write here y minus y1 is equal to tm and y minus y1 by m is equal to t. And third one is z minus z1 is equal to tn, or you can write here z minus z1 by n is equal to t. In these three terms you have the t the common. Therefore I can write here x minus x1 by L is equal to y minus y1 by m is equal to z minus z1 by n is equal to t. This is the required equation in the Cartesian form of the straight line. Okay. Next, second theorem. The vector equation of the line through the points A of A bar and B of B bar is R bar is equal to 1 minus T into A bar plus T into B bar, passing through the 2 points here. Before theorem is passing through the A bar and parallel to B bar. But in this theorem, what is asking here, vector equation is passing through the 2 points is A bar and B bar. What you have to prove, that is R bar is equal to 1 minus T into A bar plus T into B bar, where T is belongs to R, any. Let us, proof is observe here. Let O be the origin, so that OA is equal to A bar and OB is equal to B bar. And PR is a point on the line. In figure observe here, OA is A bar, OB is B bar, and R bar is OP is any point on the AB. Therefore, AP and AB are collinear. Vectors, collinear vectors. What are the collinear vectors? In these two vectors is multiple of any scalar. Therefore, I can write here AP is equal to T into AB, where T is belongs to scalar vector, that is T belongs to R, any scalar vector. Listen, AP is equal to T into AB. Therefore, AP is a vector. How can I write here? OP minus OA. T into OB I can write here, sorry, AB I can write here OB minus OA. Listen, OP is nothing but, in figure how can I write here, R bar minus OA is equal to A bar is equal to T into OB is nothing but B bar and OA is nothing but A bar. R bar minus A bar is equal to T into B bar. You can multiply, what happens is LHS can multiply T into B bar, T into A bar. And A bar is a vector, you can bring right side. What happens is R bar is equal to A bar plus TB bar minus T into A bar. In these three terms, you can observe here T into B bar, T into A bar. A bar plus T into A bar is same as this. A bar is a common, you can take here 1 plus T bar, A bar into 1 minus T plus T into B bar. Therefore, R bar is equal to, I can write here, R bar is equal to 1 minus T into A bar plus T into B bar. This is the required equation of the passing through the 2 points. The vector equation is R bar is equal to 1 minus T into A bar plus TB bar. You can write it in Cartesian form. Cartesian form means you can write here, how can I write here? Let A is 2 points is A is equal to x1 y1 z1 and B is equal to x2 y2 z2, and PRB any point. Therefore, let R is equal to, standard form is x comma y comma z. Therefore, OA is equal to, that is A bar is equal to, I can write here x1i plus y1j plus z1k, and OB is equal to B bar is equal to x2i plus y2j plus z2k, and R bar is standard form. R bar is equal to, I can write here, R bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Therefore the line equation is R bar is equal to 1 minus T into A bar plus T into B bar. R bar is equal to next R bar is equal to 1 minus T into A bar plus T into B bar. Therefore, you know about that R bar is equal to, substitute here, xi plus yj plus zk is equal to 1 minus T into A bar is nothing but x1i plus y1j plus z1k plus T into B bar is nothing but x2i plus y2j plus z2k. This clear? Therefore, you can simplify this one. You can write first is xi plus yj plus zk as it is. It is 1 into, first you can write here, what will it here, x1i plus y1j plus z1k as it is, minus T of x1i plus y1j plus z1k plus t of x2i plus y2j plus z2k. Therefore, this term can bring left side, that is xi plus yj plus zk of, you can write here minus of x1i plus y1j plus z1k is equal to, this term is I am bringing left side. These two terms you can observe here. First t term is plus term is tx2. Therefore I can write here t of I of as it is. T of x of I is t of I of x2 minus x1. First I can write here x2 and second term is minus x1 as it is. And second one is observe here t of j as it is. T of j y2 minus y1 and t of k into z2 minus z1. You can simplify this one is, you can getting the t of I term same ti x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1. In LHS I can write here x minus x1 of I plus plus y minus y1 of j z minus z1 of k is equal to, I can write here I of t of x2 minus x1 j of t of y2 minus y1 plus k of t of x2 minus x1. Same here, comparing both side I comma j k comma terms. What will it here? I terms is means here t into x2 minus x1, j term is t into y2 minus y1, k terms means t into z2 minus z1. Here x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Can compare what will it here? X minus x1 is equal to t of x2 minus x1, first one is, and y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 into t, and third one is z minus z1 is equal to t of z2 minus z1. Listen, you can write this is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to t, and y minus y1 x minus x1 is equal to t of x2 minus x1, y minus y1 is equal to t into y2 minus y1, z minus z1 is equal to t of z2 minus z1. Therefore x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to t, y1 minus y2 by y2 minus y1 is equal to t, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1 is equal to t. Therefore you can write here Cartesian form is x minus x1 x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1 is equal to t. This is the Cartesian form of the passing through the two vectors. Continuation of the theorem 3. The vector equation of the plane passing through the point A of A and parallel to the vectors B bar and C bar is equation is R bar is equal to A plus T bar into S into C bar. A bar, B bar, C bar is the vectors and T and S is the scalar, that is T comma S belongs to R. You have to prove that this theorem. Let's proof is observe here. Let sigma is a one plane, okay, plane passing through the point of A of A and parallel to the vector B bar and C bar. Therefore P of R is any point here. This is OP is a PR. OP is a PR. It is any vector. In sigma, through the points A, draw a line parallel to the vector B bar and C bar. Parallel to the vector, you can write the parallel to the B bar and C bar. Therefore this is a B bar is a vector, you can parallel, you can write this is a, and parallel to C you can write here A is, okay. This is a 2 is parallel to the B bar and C bar. AP is the diagonals of the complete of the parallelogram ALPM. Listen here, ALPM is a parallelogram. AL and PM. AL, PM is a parallelogram where AP is a diagonal. Therefore, listen here, let the sigma is a plane, therefore with the point of L on the line parallel to C. Therefore, AL is nothing but parallel to C bar, and M on the line parallel to B bar. Therefore, AM is called is parallel to B bar. This is the explanation of the figure. Okay. Next, listen here. How to prove that is AM is parallel to B bar. AM is parallel to B bar. Both are same parallel. Okay. Therefore, AM is equal to, I can write here, AM is equal to any constant T into B bar. AM and this is AM and B is a 2 is vectors. Therefore, AM is parallel to B bar. AM is equal to T into B bar. Similarly, AL is parallel to C bar. How? Listen here. AL is parallel to C bar. AL is parallel to C bar. Therefore, AL bar is equal to, I can write another constant is C into C bar. This is called your equation number 1. This is called your equation number 2. Okay, I understood. First I am taking the AM is parallel to B bar and AL is parallel to C bar. Therefore, I can write here AM is equal to T into B bar, AL is equal to S into C bar. Now, you can observe here by the parallelogram ALPM, I can write here, we want here APs. We want here AP is equal to, I can write here AP is equal to, I can write here PM plus, or I can write here AL plus LP. AL is equal to AL plus LP. But LP is nothing but, how can I write here? Sorry. LP is, I can write here AM. Therefore, AP is equal to AL plus AM. AL plus AM is nothing but, again I can write here AP is equal to AM plus AL. AM plus AL. You can write here. AM is nothing but, I can write here AM is equal to, I can write here T into B bar, and AL I can write here S into C bar from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Okay. Next, AP how can I write here? OP minus OA. OP minus OA. Therefore, T into B bar, S into C bar. OP is equal to, I can write here R bar minus A bar. You know about that is OP. OP is a R bar and OA is A bar. You can write here also OA is equal to A bar. This is the third equation you can write here. OP is equal to R bar. This is the fourth one. Therefore, R bar minus A bar is equal to T into B bar, S into C bar. Therefore, R bar is equal to, last you can write here, R bar is equal to, bring this side, A bar is a left side, you can write right side, you can write here, A bar T into B bar plus S into C bar. This is the required equation of, plane equation is in vector. What is asking here? The vector equation of the plane passing through the point A and parallel to B bar and C bar. This the formula is R bar is equal to A plus T bar plus S into C bar. This is the proof. Next theorem. The equation of the plane passing through the points A of A bar, B of B bar and parallel to C bar. Passing through the 2 points and parallel to another vector is C bar is R bar is equal to 1 minus T into A bar plus T into B bar plus S into C bar, where T comma S belongs to R. This is a very simple. passing through the 2 points you have the already a theorem and parallel to C bar. Therefore I can write here the equation of the plane. Therefore R bar is equal to A bar plus, therefore T into B bar. Passing through the 2 points is, you can write here A bar plus T into B bar. But I can write here T into A B bar passing through the 2 points and parallel to C vector. Therefore I can write here S into C bar. Okay. Therefore R bar is equal to A bar plus T into AB is equal to, I can write here OB minus OA plus S into C bar. Therefore R bar is equal to A bar plus T into OB is nothing but B bar. Therefore you can write here OA is equal to A bar and OB is equal to B bar. Therefore B minus OA is nothing but A bar plus S into C bar. R bar is equal to A bar plus T into B bar minus T into A bar plus S into C bar. And next R bar is equal to, listen, observe here, it is a terms, A vectors is 2 terms. Therefore A bar into 1 minus T is, you can write here one side, you can write here A bar into 1 minus T and T into B bar as it is and S into C bar as it is. Or you can write here 1 minus T into A bar plus T into B bar S into C bar. This is a very very important of the 4 theorems. Okay. Next, theorem 5. 3 points A of A bar, B of B bar, C of C bar collinear if and only if there exist scalars x comma y comma z is not zeros. Means x is not 0, y is not 0, z is 0. Such that you can write here x A bar plus y into B bar plus z into C bar is equal to 0 and x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Collinear, the points are this collinear, then you can show that the xa plus yb plus zc is equal to 0 and x plus y plus z is equal to 0. You have to show that this is. And if and only if is given, therefore you can prove the conversely. First is proof is, observe here. Given that OA is equal to, observe, OA is equal to A bar, you can let, and OB is equal to B bar, OC is equal to C bar. These are vectors. Suppose A comma B and C points are collinear, then we can write, how can write that is? You can write here AB is equal to lambda into AC. This is, you can study it in a 4th exercise. Okay, previous class. AB is equal to lambda into AC. Therefore, you can write here OB minus OA is equal to OB minus OA. You can take here lambda, any lambda is any constant here. OC minus OA. OB is nothing but B bar and OA is nothing but B bar minus A bar. Lambda into OC is nothing but C bar minus A bar. This can be written as, these are RHS terms, you can write here, LHS terms you can bring this side, RHS at whatever that is, you can write here lambda into C bar minus A bar is equal to, you can bring this side whatever that is, plus A bar minus B bar is equal to 0. Or you can write here lambda C bar minus A bar into lambda plus A bar minus B bar is equal to 0. Or you can write here A bar first term, therefore this is a 1, this is minus lambda, okay, minus B bar and plus lambda C bar is equal to 0. This is called here equation number 1. This is called equation number 1. And I can write here, given equation is what is? XA plus YB plus ZC bar is equal to 0. You can compare your equation number 1. Comparing in equation number 1 and 2. What will get here? A bar as is, x is nothing but 1 minus lambda, and y is nothing but minus 1, and z is equal to lambda only. Once again listen, your x first equation, second equation you can comparing here. A into 1 minus lambda is nothing but x into 1 minus lambda, therefore x is equal to 1 minus lambda. Y into b is as is, b is equal to minus 1, and z into c is nothing but z plus you can write here lambda. Therefore observe here, x plus y plus z, what is the value is? X plus y plus z is equal to, x is nothing but 1 minus lambda, y is minus 1, and z is lambda. Therefore minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, plus lambda minus lambda get cancelled. You got here x plus y plus z is equal to 0. This is the only one way. If and only if means you can write here. You can prove that is a conversely also. Conversely, let x comma y comma z be the scalars such that at least one of them is not 0. Therefore x is not equal to 0, or y is not equal to 0, z is not equal to 0, and given xa plus yb plus zc is equal to 0, x plus y plus is equal to 0, x plus y plus z is equal to 0. You have to prove a comma b comma c are collinear. Listen, I can take here, suppose z is not equal to 0. Therefore x plus y plus z is equal to 0. That implies I can write here z is equal to minus of x plus y. Clear? You can substitute in the equation xa plus yb plus zc. What happens that is, you can write here xa plus yb zc is equal to 0. In place of z you can substitute the minus of x plus y value. xa plus yb plus c of, I can write here minus x minus y is equal to 0 clearly. Therefore minus x minus y. Okay, you can multiply. What happens that is xa plus yb plus, I can write here minus xc minus yc is equal to 0. You can take here x common. What happens that is a minus c. I can take here y common. What happens that is b minus c is equal to 0. E is nothing but OA is equal to A bar, and OB is equal to B bar, OC is equal to C bar. These are vectors. Therefore x into OA minus A bar minus C bar. Therefore I can write here OA minus OC. Y into B bar minus C bar, OB minus OC. E is nothing but, you can vector, I can write here CA bar y into CB bar is equal to 0. We have the previous classes. X into CA bar plus y into CB bar is equal to 0. E is nothing but, and x plus y is not equal to 0, because z is not equal to 0 here. Z is not equal to 0, that is a x plus y is not equal to 0. Therefore you can write here CA and CB are collinear vectors. Then you can say that, A comma B comma C, CA and CB, any two vectors is collinear vectors. Their points are collinear. ABC collinear points. Therefore conversely also proof. This is the end of the theorems.